how far back is she now?
Look behind you.
What?
Good evening, Storm.
How did you...
Just back here drafting on your butt. Nothing to be concerned about.
Like 2 June bugs on a summer night.
Hey, Hamilton.
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed.
208 miles per hour. 207 miles per hour.
Stop that! You're taking me off my line!
Last lap! Come on, Cruz!
Uh-oh. My GPS is saying I have slow traffic in my way.
No. You are not winning this.
Ah, you're angry.
I am not angry.
You know, you can use that anger to push through.
I said I'm not angry! Oh, I don't think so. No!
Cruz, get out of there!
You don't belong on this track!